And welcome to another quick update on Ethereum. The Ethereum chart might have bottomed here on Friday. It's a bit too early to say, but you might remember from previous updates we have been tracking here a 1-2 setup. And this is the more directly bullish scenario. I shared with you over the last few days this micro support region here, 2,428 to 2,502 was our support area for the yellow directly bullish count, similar to the directly bullish count that we're tracking on the Bitcoin chart. And so far, support has been holding. In fact, the price reacted nicely to the support area, but we're dealing with a lot of overlapping, choppy and messy price action again. Well, that could obviously be related to weekend movements. I mean, on the weekend, movements are often not that clean. However, I can already identify a 5-wave move up. However, I think it looks best as a 3-wave move right now. So I'm still tracking this as an ABC structure. So an A wave down, a B wave up, and potentially a C wave down. So this could still happen. But obviously, the B wave has reached now the top of resistance, standard resistance for the B wave, and that means it's already quite a high B wave. Of course, also a B wave can go even higher, but if we get 1 or 2 more highs, it will look more like a 5-wave move. So what does it exactly mean? It means that the support area remains at the moment where it is, not going to change it. Yeah, it's still between 2,428 and $2,502. There's no need to change it because we could still be in the wave 2, for example. Yeah, I mean, it is even possible that we are testing this area like here, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, yeah, and we're holding 2,428. All I want to highlight here is this micro support area remains relevant, and if we break below it, then a wider wave 2 is still an option, yeah, because I just explained to you the more directly bullish count, 1, 2, 1, 2, and maybe another 1, 2 setup. But also, there is a count where we say, maybe the entire move up is wave 1, and then we get an A wave, B wave, C wave, and to be fair, this correction would have a little bit more room. Yeah. But in the very short term, the focus is on whether the bulls can hold the Friday low, and it's looking promising, but I haven't yet seen a very clean 5-wave move. So for further evidence that indeed this swing low on Friday was an actual meaningful low, I want to see 5 waves up from that low. And at the moment, while I can already see 5 waves, it looks more like 3 waves. It has to do with internal structures and proportions. So I would prefer one more high, because then we would also get a break above resistance at 2,601, and that would be, I think, a good indication we've bottomed. Then we can add the next micro support area. For now, I would keep this one where it is. So that means promising price action on the Ethereum chart. The broader picture hasn't changed, but here on the nano level, there are some promising developments. Yeah? And it's now important in the very short term, I think, just to focus on this support zone, to observe it. Should it get tested again, I think there's still a decent chance we get another bounce, or it will hold 2,428. Any break below 2,428 means a broader or wider wave 2 is likely unfolding, and we could reach the area between the 2nd of July low. Yeah, that's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.